What's up, Wolfpack? Isaiah Gibson again from Lightwolf Visuals. And so for this episode of Lightwolf Quickies, I'm going to show you guys how to integrate GetResponse or whatever email autoresponder you choose inside of Groove. You could really kind of screw yourself over if you don't follow the right steps in order. Without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys in less than 5 minutes how you're going to do this. So let's jump right in. Goal is to show you guys how to integrate your sites with your email autoresponder and GroovePages in less than 5 minutes. With that being said, let's hop right in and start this clock. Clock is started. Let's jump right in. So first and foremost, you need to create an account with GetResponse and Groove if you haven't already. If you're coming in from the other 2 episodes, then you should already have a Groove account. So after you create your account, you log in, you go into menu up here, and all we need is the API key. So you're going to go to Integrations and API, then hit API. You have to hit this Generate API key, and then copy the code it gives you. Now we're done with GetResponse. Now you're going to head over to Groove and log in. Inside of Groove, you're going to go up to the top. Up at this little person dude here, hit My Integrations. And I already have GetResponse here, so it might give me an error message when I try to add it again, but let's just do it anyway. Hit Add. This is integration type. You're going to scroll down, and these are the different integrators you can do. If anything's not on this list, you can integrate it using Zapier and just send Zapier a key, a trigger that says, you know, when this happens, I'm going to have this happen inside of Groove. So in this case, we're going to hit GetResponse. We're just going to call this one GetResponse 2. You're just going to paste the API key there. Then just hit Update. And you're going to be good to go. So now that you've got that, integrated, it could probably take within a few hours, maybe less than that, but that's all you need to do. So now we're going to go back into our page, the one that we created in the last episode. I'm going to go back into GroovePages. Test 5 minute is the one we were operating in. Alright, so now we're going to go to this form here, and we're going to click it and make sure you're in the right one. You want to be in form container. Okay, you're going to hit that, hit configure, change the integration type. You're going to hit whatever you named your integration as. I'm going to hit GetResponse, and it's going to ask you to choose a list, and I'm going to choose GrooveOpt. And whatever autoresponder site, you always start at 0. And your thank you redirect link, you can have this be a URL to your Groove affiliate link or to another page, whatever you choose. In this case, I'm just going to leave it as none, just because I don't want anything to happen when this opens up. I just want to show you guys how to integrate it. Hit update. And now under each of these fields, you have to fill these out. So we're going to go to the name one first. Your input ID has to be something in there. I'm just going to put name. Your input name, just leave it as name. And placeholder text, I'm just going to call first name. Hit add validation rules. Validation is text. Say input cannot be empty. Hit update. And then here, for email, just going to use email. Same thing, email. And placeholder text says use your best email here. Hit add validation rules and change this type to email. If you don't change the email, if you just leave it as text, it's gonna send the wrong parameters into that autoresponder software and it won't even let you proceed. So we're gonna hit update. All right, so now it says use your best email here. First name, you're gonna hit save. And then here in the button, you wanna just make sure that this says submit, because if it says reset, you're going to screw yourself over and it's going to empty out everything that they put in. So never change that. It's set to submit by default. Then you're just going to publish the page again. Publish. Site publish in progress. We're going to go to it. We're going to put in, and notice it already updated. It says first name, use your best email here, get your copy now. And that's all there is to it, folks. Got it done in 4.5 minutes. That's gonna do it for this episode, guys. If you're liking this series so far, please like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you these kinds of videos. It really helps me to know, what you guys are really into and what you're not into. I'm trying these shorter format how-to videos to make sure I really give you guys the biggest bang for your buck, and I don't waste your time. Most people don't want to know how to do a full-on ClickBank tutorial. Most people just want smaller snippets, which I'm trying to give you guys here. So if you're really liking this format, make sure you just let me know by liking, subscribing, and dropping a comment. Share with your buddies if you think that they can use this information as well. If you haven't already, make sure you guys create your free account with Groove using my link below, as well as GetResponse. I have a link below to that too, and some other links to really help you out along the way if you decide to want to make this into a business. If you already have a website that you want to get migrated over, I strongly suggest paying someone from Fiverr that's able to do it for you, especially if you're just starting, and it will only cost you a few bucks. I have a link below to those services as well. So guys, that's going to be it for this episode of Lightwolf Quickies. Isaiah Gibson from Lightwolf Visuals, signing off.